Hello everyone and welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to be learning about forex market analysis, okay? So we're going to be learning how to analyze the market, the forex market, in order to enter a trade, in order to buy or in order to sell a currency pair, okay? So that's all we're going to be looking at right now. Yeah, so forex market analysis is the study of a currency pair in order to determine whether to buy or sell or wait on trading the currency pair. Yeah, so that's all what forex market analysis is. Okay, so there are two ways of analyzing the market. Okay, there are two ways of analyzing the market basically. So we use these two ways to determine whether we buy a currency pair or whether we sell a currency pair. Okay, so the first is technical analysis and the second is fundamental analysis. These are basically the two ways forex traders use to analyze the market in order to predict where future prices of currencies will go. Technical analysis is a range of techniques used to try and forecast future price movements of a currency pair completely by using historical price movements and patterns. Okay, so technical analysis is basically traders analyzing the charts, okay, analyzing the forex chart, things like this, okay, to look at prices, to look at price action, that's the action of price, to look at volume, okay, to look at sentiments, and so on and so forth. When traders do this, they partake in what is called technical analysis. So we use technical analysis to actually determine what price will do. Like I said again, whatever you do on the chart, when you see traders kind of analyzing the chart, looking at resistance levels, support levels, looking at trend, whatever, they're basically using technical analysis to analyze the market. Of course, we're going to look at all of this in this course. So let's go back to the slide to see more about technical analysis. Okay, so we can see that technical analysis involves concepts like the trend law. So this is a concept we're going to be looking at also in further lessons. Okay, the trend law. So things like the trend law, price patterns, indicators, candlestick patterns, price action. That's the action of price. Okay, and then volume, support and resistance levels, supply and demand zones, and so on and so forth. So these are what technical analysis traders or technical analysts look at. So technical analysts use these tools or these concepts to analyze the market and predict where future prices of currencies will go. Okay, don't worry, we're going to look at each and every one of these concepts. We're going to learn how to use them, how to enter trades, how to analyze the market like professionals. Okay, and for fundamental analysis is a process of studying the impact of political, economic, and social factors on the relative value of a currency. Okay, so fundamental analysis helps forex traders identify primary drivers of a currency's intrinsic value, and this helps traders craft informed decisions on whether to buy or sell a currency. Okay, so fundamental analysis is more of an umbrella which covers the factor affecting the price fluctuations of a currency outside of chart analysis. What we looked at previously, which is technical analysis, is also chart analysis. Okay, so this is technical analysis we're meaning here. So fundamental analysis is more of an umbrella term. Like I said before, it gives us a broader picture. So everything outside chart analysis, everything outside technical analysis, everything outside what you do on your charts, which is this. Of course, we're going to come to this very shortly. We're going to look at how to use the platform and every other thing you need to know in order to do analysis like this. So anything outside this is fundamental analysis. Okay, so the fundamental analysis covers concepts like overall state of the economy. Okay, so fundamental analysts will look at overall state of the economy before investing in that currency. So if, for example, a fundamental analyst wants to analyze the US dollar, okay, want to see whether to go long on the US dollar or to go short on the US dollar on a long-term basis, of course, they'll have to look at the country, which is the United States of America. Okay, you have to learn about the country and then look at how the overall state of the economy is. If the overall state of the economy is good, investors will be looking to go long on the US dollar. But if the overall state of the economy is bad, of course, investors will prefer to stay away. Fundamental analysts also look at concepts like interest rates. Okay, they look at concepts like employment rates. They also look at concepts like GDP, which is gross domestic product. Okay, and then they also look at concepts like international trade. How well is that country performing in international trade? Okay, how much of foreign exchange is it earning? Okay, how much of foreign exchange the country is earning? It also helps boost the currency or the whole economy of the country. So when the country is performing well along these metrics, we see that investors tend to gravitate towards this currency, okay, because of course it's performing well and it's a wiser decision, or it's the wise decision to invest in it. So all these are very important concepts in fundamental analysis. We also look at pandemics, wars, natural and man-made disasters, etc. etc. Now in this course, we're going to be doing more of technical analysis. Okay, we're going to be learning about different indicators we look at to enter the market. We're going to learn how to analyze price, how to look at volume, how to look at the trend, how to look at a lot of things, demand, supply, and so on and so forth. But that doesn't mean that as technical analysis traders, we are going to totally ignore fundamental analysis. Okay, we're going to do it in such a way that while trading technicals, we're going to take note of fundamentals also, in a way that we avoid big fundamental news events that tend to affect the currency very much. Okay, so we're going to look at different sites. We're going to look at different economic calendars where you can see upcoming fundamental news events. Okay, and then try to avoid them. Okay, they try to avoid them. Some people actually treat those news events, but for now we are just going to try to avoid them. Okay, and of course different news events, different fundamental news events usually have different impacts on the currencies. Okay, so they have different levels of impacts on the currencies. We're going to learn all these things, how to see how impactful a news event is, how to see, how to forecast the outcome of the news on the currency. Okay, and all of this we're going to learn in this course as we go. Okay, so hope to see you in the next video. Bye.